Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show how to find your Google Classroom code as a student, step by step. If you need the class code to join or reconnect to a class, this tutorial is for you. On your Google Classroom dashboard, to find the code, all we have to do is open Google Classroom and then go to the classroom that you have joined. For example, if you have a classroom here, once you are inside, you will already see your codes right away in the created room, in your classwork section. You just have to explore it. Once you click the Stream tab, the class code will appear here. Or you can go to the settings, and once you are in settings, you will see the invite links and the codes. You can see it right away here in your Google Classroom settings. This tutorial helps students locate their Google Classroom class code using the Classroom dashboard, class settings, or teacher-provided information. We guide you step by step so you can quickly access and join your class without confusion. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Google Classroom code as a student.